Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can tell from the title, ang gagawin natin is a makeup look na sobrang perfect, especially for those of you na yung hanap sa makeup is yung very natural looking lang talaga. Nothing too grand, pasabog whatsoever, as in super easy lang talaga. And also, speaking of easy, actually majority ng mga product na gagamitin natin today are from Issy and Company. Kaya sobrang excited ako, but wait, there's actually more. I-share ko din sa inyo yung thoughts ko about their new products kasi nasubukan ko na sila. Kaya naman for those of you na naghahanap ng review about their newest product, which is yung serum nga and cleansing butter, you don't need to worry kasi I got you. Again, like I've said kanina, may bagong product ang Issy and Co, and that is yung kanilang serum and cleansing butter. By the way, this is how the PR package looks like, and as always, on point, very aesthetically pleasing, cool, fun, as in nothing bad to say. And as always, campaign looks amazing kasi super diverse nila. Parang kapag nakita mo yung photos, you want to be an easy girl, an easy boy, and even yung mga product shots, di ba, look at that? Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda, I love it. Look at that. Super cool, super fun. Again, very diverse and also very approachable. We also have some stickers, by the way, and super cute. I love it. Inside, we have the 4 variants ng serum and 2 variant ng cleansing butter. But actually, before sending this, meron ako ng mga product kasi before pa siyang i-launch, binigay na nila sa akin so that medyo ahead ako sa pag-test. Kaya sobrang nakaka-happy. And I just wanna say thank you sa Issy and Co kasi diba, sobrang thoughtful nila for sending another batch. But don't worry guys, since sobrang dami naman ito and I already know kung ano yung para sa akin, papagiveaway ako mamaya, kaya make sure to watch this video hanggang sa dulo. And eto guys, yung mga ginagamit ko, baka sabihin nyo charot-charote, o ayan, di ba? Gamit talaga. These are actually sent to me nung November 17, birthday ko, and nung 18, doon ko sinimulang subukan. Etong mga serum and also yung cleansing butter, but mamaya ko na ipapakita kasi naiwan ko doon sa ano eh. Again, 4 yung variants ng booster serum and this one retails for 599 pesos each. Each bottle contains 35 ml and this one is made in Taiwan. This one I'm holding is the Sebum Balancing Drops. Second serum that we have is the Refining and Clarifying Drops. We also have the Soothing and Hydrating Drops. And lastly, we have the Multi-Nourishing Drops. And same sa kanilang complexion line. Super impressive kasi diba, it caters a lot of skin types. Anyway, moving on to the next product. This is their cleansing butter and this one naman retails for 349 pesos each. This one is also made in Taiwan and each container contains 50 grams. And also, 2 yung variants that they have. This one is the Calming Melt and then this one is the Nourishing Melt. By the way, can I just say how much I'm obsessed with the packaging? Kasi grabe guys, as always, literally branding and packaging perfection. I mean, look at this, diba? Yung cleansing butter, mukha talaga siyang butter. Ang ganda ng lalagyan. I cannot, I swear, sobrang cute. Tapos diba yung serum sobrang minimalist, ang luxe, tapos kapag ka pinagtabi-tabi mo yung 4, ang gandang tignan. Again, this is not a first impression review kasi nga na-test ko na yung mga serum and also yung cleansing butter. And I already know kung alin sa 4 na serum and sa cleansing butter yung mga nagwo-work sa akin. And that is itong 2 booster serum na hawak ko. Sebum Balancing Drops and also the Clarifying and Refining Drops. This one, ginagamit ko siya daytime and nighttime. And what I love about this is talagang hydrating siya and soothing sa skin. And usually what I do is kumukuha lang ako ng 3 to 4 pumps. Or 5, minsan depende sa mood. Because this one kasi ano siya hydrating nga. Kaya okay na okay. And pwede nyo na rin substitute for moisture. Tapos ayan guys, what I do is talagang minamassage ko lang siya sa aking skin. Tapos kapag kami konti pang natira sa kamay ko, ang ginagawa ko is nilalagay ko sa neck. This is definitely one of the most hydrating and moisturizing serum na nasubukan ko guys. Atong kulay blue. Tapos after a few minutes, kapag hinawakan nyo yung skin, it feels very supple na. Sobrang okay ng formula kasi mabilis mag-sink in sa skin. Tsaka hindi malagkit, kaya very comfortable sa skin. And also, I forgot to mention that you can also mix and match, which is amazing kasi diba, depende sa skin type nyo or concern, pwedeng-pwede. And also, tip nga lang pala guys, na kung gagamitin nyo itong booster serum, especially kung 2, always make sure to start sa lighter consistency. And in my case, etong color blue yung lighter, kaya eto yung inuna ko. Ngayong nag-sink in na sa skin ko yung first serum, we can now proceed sa second one. And yung second ko naman gagamitin is the Sebum Balancing Drops. You need to try this, I swear. This one is amazing, especially underneath makeup. And true to its claim guys, nakakatulong talaga siya para mabalance yung sebum sa skin. Kasi na-notice ko na kapag ginagamit ko siya, even without makeup, na-notice ko na parang mas bumabagal yung pag-oil up ng skin ko. Tapos kapag hinawakan nyo siya, nag-glide talaga. Sobrang velvety and smooth nung feeling niya sa skin. And this one, yung color pink, even though thicker yung consistency niya compared sa blue, ang bilis pa rin mag-sink in. Usually kasi and based sa mga previous experience ko, kapag ka-thick yung consistency ng serum, matagal siyang pumasok sa skin. But this one hindi. Super impressive. I love how they manage na gawing thick yung consistency pero mabilis mag-sink in sa balat. Again, ito yung dalawang serum na ginagamit ko guys, and ilalagay ko na lang somewhere sa screen, probably sa side. Dito sa side na to. Kung kanino ideal and formulated itong mga serum na to. Both of these are amazing, definitely must try. But for me talaga itong pink, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya kasi ang ganda niyang gamitin guys, especially underneath makeup. Kahit hindi na kayo mag-primer, eto lang, okay na okay na. Moving on with makeup, I'm going to start by prepping my lips, and of course yung gagamitin ko is the Issy and Co Hydra Gloss in the shade Surf. And this one is really good kasi aside from being a lip gloss, it's also a lip oil, kaya nakaka-condition din siya and nakakatulong talaga para gawing soft yung lips. For my base, of course, ang gagamitin ko is yung isa sa mga ultimate favorite kong base from Issy and Co, and that is the Active Skin Tint. It contains niacinamide, it comes in 9 shades, super inclusive, and by the way, yung shade nga palang gamit ko is Bisque. Ang lakas lang maka-fresh nitong base na to guys. Perfect nga for evening out the skin tone and just making your skin look brighter, look fresher, without making it look cakey. Diba look at that? Isang layer pa lang pero wala na yung redness. Ang fresh ng tingnan ng skin. And ayun nga, for those of you na hindi mahilig sa heavy makeup, and yung gusto nyo lang is yung super minimal, parang wala kang nilagay, but meron. Eto guys, one of the best. Meron din siyang SPF 35, kaya if you're always outside, this is definitely the perfect base kasi diba, pinoprotect niya din yung skin nyo sa harmful sun rays. For concealer, of course, ang gagamitin ko is the Issy and Co Active Concealer, and yung shade ko is si FW1 and FO2. This is definitely one of the best concealers na nasubukan ko this year, guys. I really love the formula because it's lightweight and also maganda yung coverage. Ayan o, tignan nyo, diba? Etong shade na to sobrang perfect for the under eye kasi talaga nakakabuhay. It's definitely brightening and ang ganda, sobrang nakakaaliwala siya ng mata. Aside from the coverage and color, another thing I like about this one is yung formula niya because talagang compatible siya sa active concealer kaya they work really well together. It is also very easy to blend. I mean, look at that. Tapos oil-free pa kaya perfect if you have oily skin, and also meron siyang hyaluronic acid kaya hindi drying sa under eye. This time, mag-spot conceal naman tayo kasi guys, nagbe-breakout na naman ako, nakakainis dahil sa mask. Ayun, tsumaka na naman yung skin ko, nakakainis. Feeling ko dahil siya sa hindi disposable mask na ginamit ko, kaya nagka-breakout ako. Which is super annoying kasi diba natapat pa ng December, magpapasko. But oh well, that's life. And also, meron naman tayong Issy and Co Active Concealer, kaya no need to worry kasi kayang-kaya niyang makover yung mga dark spots and imperfections. To slightly warm up my complexion, yung concealer na lang din ang gagamitin ko, and this time yung shade na D04 naman. And ang gawin natin is ilagay lang natin siya sa likod ng kamay. Pick up natin siya using a brush. Tapos, tsaka natin siya i-blend sa outer perimeter ng face natin. Pero konti lang guys ha, don't go overboard kasi nga ang gagawin lang naman natin is i-enhance yung skin. We want the makeup to look as natural and light as possible. Of course, dito sa jaw area and chin, maglagay din tayo ng konti. For blush, of course, ang gagamitin ko is the Issy and Co Cream Blush. Actually, ang hirap mamili ng kulay. But before tayo mag-apply, ipapakita ko yung top 3 shades ko sa inyo. Crush, Good Girl, and Fever. Eto na lang si Crush yung gamitin natin since very natural naman yung look na gagawin natin. So, ang gawin natin is i-apply muna natin siya at the back of the hand. Tapos, i-blend natin using a finger para mag-melt yung product and maging mas soft. Of course, ipipick up natin using a brush. Tapos, i-apply ko lang siya sa highest point ng aking cheek. And you don't have to worry kasi nga creamy yung formula niya guys. Kaya kahit mapadami, mabilis siyang ayusin. This time, balik tayo sa foundation brush. Tapos, i-dab lang natin siya on top para medyo mag-lighten. Lagay din tayo ng konting blush sa lid, yung same color na ginamit ko sa cheeks. Para lang may konting color tayo sa lid and hindi naman flat tignan. By the way, this one nga pala may konti siyang gold glitter kaya maganda yung effect niya. It gives the illusion na glowy and gleaming yung skin. And also here, let's add a little bit. Para iset yung face and hindi mag-move yung mga cream products na nilagay natin and liquid, ang gagamitin ko is the Issy and Co Weightless Translucent Powder in Translucent Finish. For those of you na naghahanap ng powder that feels like nothing once applied on the skin and hindi drying, you might want to check this one out. Maganda siya. I-dust lang natin siya on top and make sure na light-handed kayo para hindi mag-move lahat ng mga cream and liquid products na nilagay natin. Again guys, we're dusting off powder lang, hindi tayo magbe-bake since nga light lang naman yung base, and also para ma-maintain yung pagka-natural. Kapag kasi sobrang dami ng powder, ang tendency is magiging cakey and also Sobrang detectable na ng makeup, di ba? Tapos guys, maglagay din tayo nitong radiant finish on top ng konting-konti. Maganda tong powder na to guys. Instant glowy yung skin. And actually, kahit hindi ka na highlight with this one, ayun, tignan nyo yung nose ko, di ba? Ang radiant na and glowy tignan after. Burahin ko lang yung lip oil. Para sa aking lips, yung gagamitin ko is of course the Issy and Co lip mousse, and this one is in the shade Totally. And ang gagawin ko is ombre lips. Then after that, balik tayo sa lip oil in the shade Surf, which is yung clear. Tapos, ilagay natin siya on top. Maglalagay muna ako ng mascara, then after that, babalikan ko kayo. And here we have it, guys! Ang fresh tignan, diba? And sobrang perfect nga, especially if mahilig kayo sa minimal makeup and kung yung habol nyo nga lang is yung ina-enhance yung natural features. Perfect for everyday, for work, for online meetings, online class. Sa kahit ano guys, this is the best makeup look. Kasi di ba nga, ang fresh lang, ang natural, and ang ganda. And also dahil nga dito sa mga serum na ginamit natin, especially yung kulay pink, mas maganda yung finish ng makeup. And also kapag hinawakan nyo yung skin, ang soft pa din, hindi siya yung parang cakey and dry. And also since nga itong color pink serum is a sebum balancing drop, nakakatulong din siya para mas magtagal yung makeup. And even mag-oil up man yung skin or yung makeup, ang maganda sa kanya is sobrang natural pa ding tignan. Hindi naman completely matte yung finish ng makeup and talagang super long lasting, but ayun nga, nakakatulong siya para mabalance yung sebum and mas mag-last yung makeup. Again guys, etong mga serum na to ginagamit ko siya with or without makeup and day and night. Daytime, etong dalawa yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung first kong ina-apply, tapos ito yung second. Tapos kapag ka nighttime, ito namang kulay blue lang yung ginagamit ko. Again, I have been using these products for the past couple of weeks since November 18, kaya I can definitely tell you na meron talaga siyang effect na binibigay sa skin and nakakatulong talaga siya. This one I love kasi talagang sobrang hydrating niya and nourishing sa skin. It's very calming and very soothing. And also ginagawa niyang supple yung skin after. Tapos dito nga sa kulay pink, it helps control sebum and also maganda siyang gamitin underneath makeup as a primer. Dito naman sa cleansing butter, I'm telling you na guys, if you're the type of person na mahilig mag-heavy makeup, you will definitely love this kasi very effective siya guys, especially when it comes to removing heavy makeup. By the way, dito nga pala sa dalawang variant na meron sila, ang ginagamit ko is yung pink, which is the calming variant kasi I have acne-prone skin. This is how it looks like by the way, and ayun nga, super effective niya whether light man or heavy makeup yung tatanggalin. Tsaka ang maganda dito is compared sa ibang cleansing butter na nasubukan ko in the past, kapag ka nag-melt siya, hindi siya nakakadiri sa pakiramdam. Tapos ayun, no, tignan nyo, ang bilis niya mag-melt sa skin, kaya hassle-free and super easy to use. And ayun nga, going back, kasi di ba may mga cleansing butter or balm na kapag ka nilagay nyo sa skin, parang ang bigat niya, parang petroleum jelly yung feeling. But this one from Issy and Co, for sure, magugustuhan nyo siya guys, kasi ang sarap niyang i-apply sa skin, ang sarap niyang i-massage, very effective. Maglalagay na lang din ako ng clip para makita nyo yung demo, how this performs, kasi I swear, super effective. And of course, para makita nyo talaga how effective this one is, ayan, nag-swatch ako ng ilang product sa aking arm. This one is super stay. We have waterproof mascara, gel eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, brow pen. This one is from Issy and Co. This one as well guys, Issy and Co siya. So yeah, yun guys, para nga makita nyo how this performs. Ayan, buburahin natin to using this cleansing butter. This is how the product looks like by the way, and as you can see, medyo madami na siyang gamit kasi almost everyday ginagamit ko siya. And for this demo, eto guys yung amount of product na gagamitin natin. Para din meron kayong proof that you don't need a lot and a little goes a long way dito. Ayan, lagay lang natin siya dyan. Actually, yung suggested use talaga is medyo basain ng konti yung surface na merong makeup bago siya lagyan. But actually, kahit hindi nyo nalagyan ng water, okay na siya. It performs amazing na, kaya ayun yung gagawin natin today. And just like that, less than 1 minute, probably 40 to 45 seconds, it's melted already. Kuha lang tayo ng wipes and look! Grabe oh, tignan nyo naman. Walang naiwang stain. Sobrang linis na ng skin. And also, walang sticky residue and weird feeling na parang may nilagay kang petroleum jelly. It feels really good. Super moisturized ng skin. And very effective. Like, look at that guys. No camera trick, no magic. Eto lang talagang Issy and Co yung ginamit natin. And di ba nakita nyo naman, konting amount lang. But it was able to remove everything. Kaya definitely super tipid nitong gamitin. A little goes a long way. And for sure, maglalast sa inyo tong product na to for a very long time. Kaya sobrang sulit. So that's it guys. Overall for me, definitely maire-recommend ko tong mga product na to. Because again, Issy and Co did not disappoint. Every time na may nilalabas silang product, very consistent. quality is always amazing, on point, and talagang magugustuhan ng mga tao. And of course, as always, yung claims nila about product is always true. Anyway guys, before we end this video, like I've said, meron din tayong giveaway kasi nga I have duplicates naman. And ito yung mapapanalunan ng isa sa inyo guys, 2 cleansing butter and isang serum. And of course, to join, all you have to do is i-follow yung mechanics na ilalagay ko sa screen. Of course, as always, lahat ng mga ginamit ko will be listed sa description box, kaya i-check nyo na lang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.